Monique Sartor from Sartorial Interiors, and we're a residential interior design firm based in Sydney. Our work is best known for its use of colour, character, and a good sense of fun. This project, I have to say, was particularly fun. The aim was to create a super functional space with appliances that were concealed and one that had a happy, vibrant vibe. The palette ticked that box of the happy, vibrant vibe with the blue joinery and the brightly hued upholstery and wallpaper and drapes. The joinery with its beading is in quite a classic style. We had it hand painted in the light blue, which will allow for change of mind down the track. It can easily be repainted to any colour that the current or even future homeowner may prefer. Other timeless elements for this particular project were the white Corian bench tops and splashback, the black and white tile floor, and the use of gold accents in the lights and the hardware. As an interior designer, it is absolutely vital that I have a great team to work with and to collaborate with. And I can tell you with hand on heart, I have had nothing but great experience with Joinery Gallery. They have an incredible eye for detail, a really good design eye too. So together, our design ideas really do become the best outcome for that client, and that's just so important to me. They can tell me if my wacky ideas can be done, and they find solutions for some challenges that might arise. Their customer service is brilliant. They keep an eye on the budget. They're mindful of deadlines. Honestly, I just can't wait to work with them on project after project after project. I really highly recommend them to anyone considering any joinery for their home.